How to lose belly fat in 5 days. Yes, it's really possible to lose belly fat in 5 days with this instant belly fat burning detox tea. This effective fat burning drink will help you burn belly fat and also to lose 3 to 4 inches from your waist in just 5 days without any exercise. So if you are trying to lose weight and do not get time to do regular exercise, then this fat melting drink will help you lose inches of your waist. The main ingredient is turmeric powder. Turmeric helps in weight loss. Turmeric is referred to as the queen of spices due to the many anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties it contains. It is the best spice for weight loss and melts stubborn belly fat. Turmeric helps to reduce bloating and water retention. The main ingredient of turmeric is curcumin. It is very effective in relieving joint pains, muscle pain, and swelling associated with various forms of arthritis. In India, turmeric is referred as the holy powder, as this antioxidant is 5 to 6 times stronger than vitamin C and E. Turmeric helps to melt stubborn belly fat by increasing the flow of bile in the stomach, which helps to break down fat. Having turmeric tea on an empty stomach can help break down the fat that cause you to gain weight. Turmeric helps the liver to detoxify, lowers cholesterol, helps with thyroid disorders, fights depression, improves digestion, relieves arthritis, controls diabetics. It boosts immune system, prevents cancer, heart problems and stroke. It is a natural antiseptic and helps to prevent Alzheimer's disease. The next ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon helps to burn belly fat. It helps you to feel full and also to curb your sweet tooth. It helps to accelerate your metabolic rate. Pepper is another main ingredient in this drink. It helps to absorb curcumin into the body faster and thus helps in weight loss. But if you have any acidity problems, then you should not use pepper in this drink. The next main ingredient is ginger. Ginger is a natural appetite suppressant. It promotes fat and waste elimination from the body and thus helps to lose weight naturally. It also accelerates your metabolic rate. To make this instant belly fat burning drink, into a saucepan add in 250 ml water. Then add in ½ inch cinnamon. Lightly break the cinnamon into 2 or 3 pieces. Add in a fat pinch of freshly ground pepper. Allow the water to boil and let it simmer on low flame for 5 minutes. While the water is simmering on low flame, scrape the skin of ½ inch of ginger, rinse it thoroughly in water and then slice it into a cup and keep this aside. After 5 minutes, add in 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a mix and switch off the flame immediately. Now pour this into the cup with ginger. Give it a mix and allow the ingredients to steep for 10 minutes in the cup. Do not cover the cup. You can consume this drink after 10 minutes. Have this drink on an empty stomach in the morning and if possible just before you sleep at night, so that it accelerates your metabolic rate while you sleep. This 100% effective drink will not only help you lose belly fat, but also make you stress-free, happy and energetic. You will notice the difference in just after 2 days of consuming the drink. This drink is easy to make as most Indian home has turmeric, but make sure you use organic turmeric. Do try this instant belly fat burner and share your results with me. Also try to eat healthy, drink lots of water and try some of the easy low calorie breakfast smoothies and recipes I have already shared. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.